What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. And today, Wednesday, August 6th, we are back with the hot flash deals for the week. If you didn't know, Costco does like to put out new deals every single day. I come to the warehouse, I film these deals, and I do like to present it in the beginning of the week. Today, we have a nice variety, so make sure you watch the video right to the very end. If you didn't know, I do put out some of the best Costco content around. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, check out the content, see if there's anything you like. We like to make Amazon, Home Depot, Costco videos. Starting the video off in the number one spot, we have the Puma backpack. Very nice backpack, probably the best backpack at the warehouse currently. This is the new Challenger. I do like it a lot. Great for the laptop, great for your water bottles. Nice, decent quality. Now, the Nike backpacks, those are on clearance right now, but the quality is not good at all. These Puma ones, these are great. Now, the price even better because they are giving us a pretty good price. We have 4 different colors to choose from here at the warehouse, so we do have a nice variety. They're taking $5 off, not bad at all. $24.99 for a quality backpack. And moving on to the furniture section here at the warehouse, we have a nice little coffee table here, but I wasn't too blown away by the quality. For the price, I feel like you can get something a little bit better, but it is a nice concept. I like the design of it. I like how you can just lift up the top. That way, if you're at the couch, you can do some work at home, or you can work while watching TV, maybe have something to eat. If you have little ones at home, you can draw right from the couch. Pretty cool little coffee table, plenty of storage, but the price for what it is, I wasn't too impressed by the quality. I wasn't happy with the veneer on the coffee table. $50 off the price, $149.99. Over in the household goods, we have this appliance from Dyson. This is their fan heater. It does both hot and cool. So if you are hot in the summertime, it'll cool you right down. And if you are cold in the wintertime, this will heat you up very quickly. Now, it does have that ceramic plate, and it also amplifies the surrounding air. They're taking $60 off the price tag, which is excellent, bringing the price down to $259.99 at Costco.com. A little bit less expensive here at the warehouse. They're bringing the price down here at the warehouse down to $239.99. If you did notice at the bottom left-hand corner, I do add the expiration date of this deal. So if you didn't know, we are doing a new giveaway. We're giving away the Ion Tailgater Tough. It's a wireless Bluetooth speaker. Sounds amazing. The original price, $100, down to $49.97. Amazing price if you do want to buy it yourself and you don't want to enter the giveaway. But if you do want to enter the giveaway, it's absolutely free. All you got to do is click the link in the comment section. Follow the directions from there. Now, I did put out a new Amazon video. If you watch that Amazon video or any future Amazon videos, there's a secret code. You can grab that secret code in my Amazon video, enter into the giveaway, and you would get an additional 5 entries. Do not enter the secret code into the comment section. And for the ladies, you can finally cover your feet in style. We have the Skechers Low Crew Socks. Now, this is a variety pack, and we do get 8 pairs per package, which is excellent. It does fit a shoe size 6 through 9.5, has the arch support, has a cushioned footbed, everything exactly what you're looking for. And today, a pretty amazing price. They're taking $350 off, only $6.99. It does go for $8.49 at Costco.com. And what do we got here at Costco? Cole Haan. Pretty nice, a nice premium feel we have here. Now, these are the women's liner socks that do come in an 8-pack as well, which is nice. These are moisture wickening. They have the non-slip heel grip as well. Combined with a cotton blend, fantastic. You are getting $2 off the price, only $7.99. We have other color options at Costco.com. Those are $10.99. For your family, I actually found the new CEO. This is the Command Center. This thing will actually run your house. It's a Skylight 15-inch smart touchscreen calendar and organizer. Pretty nice concept here. It's touchscreen, has HD smart display. Now you can manage your chore charts, your checklists, even your meal plans. You can auto sync it with Google Calendar, iCloud Calendar, Outlook, Yahoo, Cozy, you name it, it'll do it. And today they're taking $30 off the tag, bringing it down to $239.99. And now from Shark, no blades, no noise, just straight up wind magic. We're looking at their Turbo Blade XL ultra customizable. This is their bladeless tower fan. In the beginning, I didn't really like it too much, but it's definitely growing on me. I actually like the way it looks in the vertical position. Doesn't look too bad. Has a power air circulation with 180 degrees of oscillation. It's still pretty steep, but not too bad. 2 times more cooling coverage, and because of the bladeless design, all you gotta do is wipe it clean. Now it does have 10 different speeds which you can choose from, which is nice. Even has a nice sleep mode as well. They're taking $50 off the price, bringing it down to $189.99. At one point, Panasonic did make the best plasmas around. Now microwaves? Maybe. This thing can heat things faster than your kids can change snacks. This is a countertop microwave, 1.2 cubic feet, so it is very spacious. It's very powerful as well, 1,250 watts, super powerful. It's very spacious, as I mentioned, and it does come with a nice 1-year warranty. Has a Genius sensor with 16 auto cook settings. They're taking $30 off the price tag, bringing it down to $129.99. And because chewing is so overrated, we have the NutriBullet. This is their Pro Plus blender. No more chewing, just drink everything blended. It does come in a matte black color only. Very powerful at 1,200 watts. Now it comes with 2 cups, as you can see there. It comes with a 24 ounce and it comes with a 32 ounce. It actually doesn't come with 4 cups like we see in display. It only comes with 2. You do get 4 stainless steel straws. Now it's a nice, powerful blender. The reviews are great. Not the best, but great. 4-star to be exact. But we do have an excellent discount today. They're taking $30 off the price, already down to $69.99. So in the bottom left-hand corner, I do add the expiration date for every single deal in today's video. If you enjoy that feature, let me know in the comments section. It does take me a little bit of extra time to do it, but I don't mind doing it if you enjoy it. And check out this little sneaky deal from Costco. A nice little throwback alert. Costco just dropped the price on the Plinko game. It was on clearance, but look at that. They dropped the actual price down to $69.99. On top of that, they put it on sale down $10 more, down to $59.99, well below the clearance price. Pretty sneaky from Costco. And the number 11 spot from Ring, we have a couple of different products from them. The first one, we have the Ring Floodlight Cam Pro. This is a hardwired camera, so bright it sees everything but your internet history. It also comes along with the Outdoor Cam Plus, which is battery operated. Both of them have 2K video. They have the Ring Vision and 2-way talk as well. Very nice camera here. Pretty decent reviews online. It goes for $159.99 at Costco online. Here at the warehouse, same exact price. Very nice deal. They're taking $90 off the price tag for us, bringing it down to $159.99. So if you don't really care for the outdoor floodlights, you're looking for something a little bit different, check out this system from Ring. This is their whole home camera kit. So you get the battery doorbell, you get the head-to-toe HD video. It also comes with the Outdoor Cam Plus that gives you that 2K video, nice clarity, nice coverage. Now you also get one more, the Pan Tilt indoor camera. It gives you 360 degrees horizontal pan coverage, which is excellent. Today, look at the price. They're giving you $80 off the price, bringing it down to $119.99. If there's any shady business going on in your household, this one will light up your front yard from Wise. It's a wired outdoor floodlight pro. You also get the indoor-outdoor security camera as well. It's a nice little bundle package here. 2.5K, so it does have that HD video, color night vision. It's IP65, has motion detection, also has an integrated spotlight, as you can see there. Very nice little camera bundle set here. If you haven't watched my last Amazon video, I did show a lot of accessories. If you do buy this, make sure you watch my last Amazon video. $20 off the price, $79.99. And this one's green, it's wiggly, and it's weirdly addictive. We have the seaweed salad. Very nice product here at Costco. A lot of people love it. It's an acquired taste, I have to admit, but once you get used to it, it's definitely addictive. 110 calories for half a cup, 4 grams of protein, 12 grams of carbs, and it does have 6 grams of added sugar. Let's have a look at that price sign. Today, they're taking $3 off the price, bringing it down to $7.99. And what are these? Little pockets of joy stuffed with potatoes and cheese? Looks pretty amazing to me. Now these do have 190 calories per serving. That's for 3 ounces, 34 grams of carbs, and it does have 7 grams of protein, as you can see. Looks pretty delicious. If you had this before, let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. You get 3 14-ounce packages, $4 off the price, only $7.49. And check out this awesome deal on chicken wings. These are excellent on the barbecue grill. No need to air fry them, no need to deep fry them. Just throw them on the grill with a little bit of avocado oil, some salt and pepper, and you are good to go. For 10 pounds, you can't beat this price. They're taking $6 off the price, which is pretty amazing here. A total of 10 pounds, only $23.99. Another fan favorite, we have the Siete almond flour wraps. You do get 20 individual tortilla wraps. Now this company was bought out by Pepsi, so a lot of people are not happy about that. I think they bought it for $1 billion, correct me if I'm wrong. 180 calories for 2 tortillas, 17 grams of carbs, 5 grams of protein. And today, let's check out that price. They're giving it $3 off the price, $8.89. And this one can actually probably save some of the relationships that are going on. A little spray before you go, and no one has to know when you go. That number 2, 100% guaranteed. Now, this is the Poopery. Now, it does come in a 3-pack here. No one will smell a thing, even if you have an explosion. $5 off the price, $14.99. If you're new to the channel and so far you're enjoying today's video, come down, have a look at what we do. We do put out some of the best Costco content around, showing you the latest and greatest deals, whether it's here at Costco, Amazon, Home Depot, Sam's Club. Up next, this one from Conair. We have their Infinity Pro here. Very nice hair dryer. Now, a lot of people love this one. Very, very powerful. It does come with 4 different attachments here. The Performa hair dryer, $10 off the price, bringing it down to $29.99. And if you don't want to use the barbecue grill to cook up those chicken wings, you can check out this Gourmet 11-quart air fryer. Now, it does turn frozen food into crispy gold without the grease or guilt. Now, this air fryer, in the beginning, I didn't really like it, but the reviews on it, not too bad at all, I got to admit. Now, it doesn't look like quality at all. It kind of looks like maybe one of those college bins that you buy at Target that you open and close, those little drawers. But they are taking $20 off the price, $79.99. And the number 21 spot from Snapwear. Everyone loves the Snapwear. The lids are the best. The lids snap tighter than my jeans after Thanksgiving dinner. We do have a 38-piece set here. You don't actually get 38 containers. You get 19 containers with 19 lids. They're BPA free. The lids are awesome. The snap lock. Now, these are airtight, easy open, easy close. $4 off the price. Pretty amazing at $15.99. So these look pretty yummy for my tummy. The chicken breast burrito bowls. Now these have chicken breast, brown rice, white rice, black beans, salsa, corn, cheese. 390 calories per bowl here. 46 carbs and 30 grams of protein. Not bad. Let's check out the price here. You get 3 bowls. Each bowl is 12 ounces. $3 off, $9.99. And here's something a little bit macro-friendly from Veggies Made Great. We have the spinach egg white frittatas. Now, these are also gluten-free, 70 calories per serving, only 4 net grams of carbs. And we can see here it does come in a 40-ounce package, and they do get a total of 20 frittatas per package here. Now, today, they're taking $2.60 off the price, bringing it down to $10.39. And if you did decide to pick up that air fryer from Gourmet, you can test it out on the Dino Buddies. Now, these are chicken breast nuggets shaped like a little dinosaur. As you can see, it does have 170 calories for 4 pieces, 12 grams of carbs, and 9 grams of protein per serving. Now, let's check out the price on these nuggets. They're taking $3.50 off the price. That's for 5 pounds, bringing it down to $10.99. If you don't like the nuggets, you don't like the dinosaur shape, you can get the Purdue, the chicken strips. Now, these are breaded white meat chicken strips. This looks a lot more appetizing in my opinion, but if you do want to go the healthy route, just go with the chicken wings. Those are a lot more satisfying as well. They'll keep you full for a long time because of the fat content, but these have 12 grams of protein per serving. Now let's have a look at these as well. 180 calories for 3 ounces, 16 carbs, and like I mentioned earlier, 12 grams of protein per serving. Now this is a 3.5 pound, $3.20 off the price, $12.39. Another great protein choice here from Archer. We have their beef jerky. Now I do like this jerky, it's very delicious, but sometimes the jerky inside the bag are a little bit discolored. 90 calories per 6, 1 gram of carb, and 9 grams of protein. No artificial flavors, no nitrites, and let's have a look at the price. $4 off, $11.99. And everyone's childhood favorite, we have the bagel bites. Now these are little itty bitty bagels with some classic cheese, a little blend cheese, has a little sauce on it. Small little bagels here, 170 calories for 4 pieces, 28 grams of carbs. It has 1 gram of added sugar, and it does have 7 grams of protein. No artificial flavors, no high fructose syrup. Now today, $2.80 off the price, $8.19. You do get a 72 count per box. Also new to the warehouse, we have the Chobani Flips. Now these do look pretty appetizing, but they don't look like yogurt to me. They look like little desserts. We have some interesting flavors here. Now when it comes to yogurt, I think of protein. Anybody who's eaten yogurt, I feel like they're going to eat because of the protein content. 150 calories per serving, 14 grams of added sugar, and 9 grams of protein. Now today, $4 off the price, only $9.99. A way better option for protein, we have the Bumblebee solid white tuna albacore in water, and check out the macros on this one. Only 170 calories for 1 can, no carbs, and 37 grams of protein. Awesome macros. $3.80 off the price. Comes in an 8-pack here, $12.99. Another classic childhood favorite, we have the classic mac and cheese from Kraft. You do get a total of 18 boxes, the original flavor. Now this was super popular back in the day. It's always popular. Mac and cheese, who doesn't love it? Brings back so many memories. $3 off the price. Now the ingredients, a lot different now than then. 250 calories per serving, as you can see there. 1 cup prepared, 350 calories. Today, they're taking $3 off the box, bringing it down to only $11.99. Alright friends, end of the video here. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, come down, hit that subscribe button. If you have Instagram, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram at Watch the Deal Finder. If you're already subscribed to the channel, hit the thumbs up button, support the channel, support the content. Tomorrow we have a new video coming out as well. Costco's new arrivals here at the warehouse. That's going to be a super exciting video. Alright friends, I'll see you tomorrow with a new one. Peace.